Hey guys, welcome to Nictrix. Today in this video I will be showing you how to read deleted WhatsApp messages on your phone. To do so you requires a third-party application which is barely of low size. The application shown here is NotiSave and it's readily available on Google Play Store. Also make sure that your WhatsApp notifications should be kept turned on, or this might not be working. Now, open it and allow all the permissions as I do. The first step is to allow access to notification. Secondly, allow access to storage. Later select the application from the given drop-down list. Here we have to turn WhatsApp on. For some Xiaomi devices, the battery saver might interrupt the process. So we have to set the battery saver restrictions to no restrictions from the settings. You should also enable auto start option for NotiSave application. Don't get worried if any of these options doesn't appears on your device, because it varies upon the device models at times. Now for a demo, I will be opening WhatsApp on two devices, one from which I will be sending those messages, and the second one will be the receiver where the NotiSave was installed. This is phone 2, and I am typing those messages to phone 1. Okay, now soon after when you exit WhatsApp and move to NotiSave you could see the message notifications there. What if I delete those messages? Then it will be appearing as deleted along with the message which has been deleted a while ago. This helps you to read the deleted message that you got from the sender. That's it, the process. I hope you enjoyed the video. If then please subscribe to my channel. See you in another one. Till then, bye.